Hello, all you cocktail fans, land lovers, and drunken sailors. I am Bill, your drunken sailor, and this is the place where we make fun, refreshing, tasty cocktails. Well, I know you've been waiting patiently. We kind of dropped off the face of the earth there for a week or so, but it's been an extremely busy week around here. We've had concrete busting up, we've had concrete being poured, we've had walls put up and hammered, and we're doing a little bit of remodeling, so that's kind of taken precedence. Well, we're back now, and we need comfort. We need soothing. We need to relax. And what better to relax with than cookies and coffee? Don't you just love dipping a cookie in your coffee? Well, we're going to save you the trouble of having to dip that cookie into that coffee because we got a cocktail you're really going to enjoy. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do so. Hit the notify. Leave us a like. Leave us a comment. Give a suggestion for a cocktail that you think is fun, because right now you're going to see us make the Chocolate Chip Espresso Martini. So let's get pouring. Our first step is we got to have a martini glass. Makes sense for a martini, but we need to get that glass ready. So we're going to prepare our glass, and we've got two dishes here. One has some honey in it, and the other has some crumbled homemade chocolate chip cookies. I know you're used to me saying fresh is best, but there's one thing better than fresh, and that's homemade. Homemade is best. Well, let's put a little bit of honey on the rim and put a lot of cookie. I just love the smell of chocolate chip. I love the taste of chocolate chip cookies. Our glass is ready, so now we need to start putting stuff in there. Our first ingredient going in today, and there's only really 4 ingredients in this one. Our first is vanilla vodka, and we're going to use 1.5 ounces. We're using Smirnoff's vanilla today. Our next ingredient in there is chocolate liqueur. Today we're using Godiva. They stopped making it. We're running out. We're going to have to do something here real soon about this. We're going to use 1 ounce. Our next ingredient in there is coffee liqueur. We're using grind. That's an espresso coffee. What better than espresso martini than espresso coffee? 1 ounce. Our last ingredient in there is actually espresso. Fresh is best, freshly brewed. This is still hot. If you use hot espresso when you make the cocktail, it seems to put a better head on a little bit more foam. Cold works just as well, but it's not going to be that thicker foam layer on top. 1 ounce. And don't spill it on your fingers, it's hot. So now all we need to do is ice up our shaker. And let's shake this to cool it down. Now, if you don't remember all the ingredients that we've put in there, at the very end of the video, of course, as usual, we'll have a cocktail recipe card for you. Let's shake it and make it cold. The smell in the air is, oh, wonderful. I've missed making this stuff for you, folks. Well, we're back. Got a piece of ice in there that's not supposed to be there. We have our glass, and now we pour. The aroma on this is absolutely amazing. As with any espresso martini, 3 coffee beans. Health, wealth, and most importantly, happiness. There is today's cocktail, the Chocolate Chip Espresso Martini. This is really, really good. The only thing I could think that could possibly make it any better dipping your cookie in the coffee. You've got that really super rich Espresso Martini. You got that little chocolate chip coming back on the back side of it. This one is going to make you feel good and taste delicious. Cheers, everyone.